When you're picking out toys for your kids, first thing we like to tell parents is to read the labels. It's really important to check the labels and make sure that these toys are appropriate for your child's age. For example, if you look at this toy here, you can see that it has a warning here that this toy contains small parts, so it's not appropriate for children under the age of 3. And they recommend it actually for children 4 and older. And it's really important to pay attention to these. And sometimes the labels are a little more subtle. Like, for example, on this toy, it doesn't have the big warning label. It's just a small little label here. And then you have to actually look on the back down here for the warning contains small parts, not appropriate for a child under 3. Another good trick for parents, if you do have young children, and of course you want to keep small toys and parts away from them because they're a choking hazard, is you can either purchase something called a choke tube tester, which is really no more than a plastic kind of fancier version of a toilet paper roll. It's approximately the same dimensions, but what we like to say is if a toy fits through this tube, it's not appropriate for a child under the age of 3. So it's a good, quick screening tool. And you also have to be careful because some toys the entire toy might be large enough that it doesn't fit through here, but it has small parts that easily can come off and be a choking hazard. So another thing to be careful of. Now this is a toy that's marketed for younger kids, 18 months plus. And you can see it's large, not going to fit through the tube, and it has no parts on it at all that can break off. So a much better choice for a younger child. Another thing that's important is parents should check out the toys frequently to make sure that there are no broken parts, no sharp edges, no pieces that are breaking off that could be a choking hazard, that they're still in good working condition. Stay away from toys with strings and things for younger children because that can be a choking hazard. With riding toys, if kids are going to be riding around in them in the house, make sure that they're not going to be near stairs or there's nowhere that they could, fall on the riding toy. And the same goes for outside. You need to secure a safe area for kids to use those types of toys.